Keep it short and sweet. Get to the point for a powerful video. When people see a marketing video, one introducing a product or service from their favorite brand, they do not want to sit there for an hour as a spokesperson drag on or repeat himself over and over. Short and specific marketing video can make more of an impact than excessive long one. Follow this tip to create an impactful video that is short, affordable, and highly effective. Narrow things down to the most important. Why are you using the video? What do you want the audience to do after watching it? Only include the most useful and vital part of the short video to save time and money. People have a very busy life these days. They don't want to wait around for something interesting or valuable to happen. If you need to, hire an experienced video editor to keep things short. Cut extraneous footage. Marketing videos are a combination of art and advertising. Avoid long clips or things that do not add much to your overall message. Most people don't want to see your whole process. Get to the main message quickly. What you want your audience to know and do. Get to it right away, don't waste time. Display your product, announce a special sale, or teach a new idea in a few steps. Avoid excessive repetition. While most marketers understand that repeating things like a special offer or call to action help to encourage people to remember it, they do not need to repeat everything for a short video to be effective. After all, viewer can always watch it again right away. On that note, thank you for watching and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to check out the online workshop, you will find the link in the description below.